Okay guys, today we are going to learn how to use the InTouch software. So this is the second tutorial in the tutorials that I have provided to you. If you haven't seen the video how to install the software, please refer to the first tutorial in my channel. Okay, so let us start the software. Okay, today's question for the InTouch software is to develop an InTouch application for temperature control of a furnace. The furnace is equipped with 3 temperature switches. As you know that furnace is a heating device, these temperature switches would help us to turn on and off the furnace. So all of them are located at different positions inside the furnace. Our job is to sound the alarm when one of them is pressed, or any two of them is pressed, and the third task is to sound the alarm when all of them are pressed. So we open the software. This is the place where you have to work your projects. So I would just expand it. This icon shows us the wizarding option. You have to click on it to import switches. So as you can see, there's an option called switches. You have to so our job is to on off the switch, so any one of them can be used for that. We are going to use this switch. You can use any other also. I'm going to place it over here, duplicate it, name it now. We are required to give a tag name to our switch, so select one of them, double click on it. Okay, this tag name is like a hyperlink to our switch. So the functions that are required from this switch are done using the tag name given to it. So we give it the tag name of SW1. You have to remember this tag name because we are going to use it afterwards. So for now an example is given. So we are going to select a furnace from this option. Go to the symbol factory, click over here. So out of this, the one which looks like a furnace, you have to select it. Here's our furnace. Now as we know that this is a software, software which runs the hardware. The alarm that we are required to sound can be heard through an external speaker. If you have a speaker available to you, there are certain codes employed for sounding the alarm, but because we don't have one, you are going to flash an LED for the equivalent purpose. Okay, so select an LED, again go to the wizard option. There is an option known as lights. Okay, tube light. Tube light is also good. So select one of them, duplicate it, when all of them are on, we need to close this LED. So right click on it, double click on it. Okay, expression is something which expresses the tag words. So when does this LED glow? It only glows when all of them are 1. That means their AND logic should be equal to 1. So we are going to write over here this LED should, the first LED should glow when any one of them is 1. So we can just OR them. And second LED should glow when 2 of them are on. That means that AND of 2 and OR of the combination, which is equal to okay. Remember here that the InTouch software uses the principle of DMAS. So multiplication would be done before the addition is done. So you don't have to worry to write the expression. It is very simple. Okay, now let's just check the output of the program. So click on runtime. As you can see, our initial output is 000. None of the LED is working. Now we switch on one of them. Switching off all of them gives us 0. Switching on any one of them makes the first LED glow. Now we want 2 of them to be switched on so that the second LED and the first LED glows. We are getting the output, so our program is correct. Now we want all of them to be switched on. Finally the third LED also glows. That means that all our switches are in the on position. You can try this program on your own, and if you have any doubts you can comment me. I'm going to help you out with any problems that you have. So thank you for viewing this, and please subscribe to my channel and watch the upcoming tutorials. Thanks a lot guys.